Is there a crying child hidden in our hearts? Do those feelings that have not been seen and emotions that have not been accepted still affect your current life? When trying to ignore the inner pain, it quietly emerges in another way. Embracing the inner child is not only the first step of healing, but also an important process of rebuilding inner strength. Our inner child represents the most innocent part of us, but it is often covered up by the hurt of the past. When choosing to face the inner child, it is the choice to connect with yourself. Looking at the heart with compassion and accepting those unhealed pains without criticism is the beginning of healing. If there is no delusion in the heart, it will be pure and untainted. When you learn to let go of your obsession with the past, your heart will be as clear as you were born. The process of embracing the inner child may not be easy, but every moment of facing pain is an opportunity to release. Talk to your heart and give yourself understanding and love in the past, just like treating a long-lost friend. When you accept yourself gently, the pain will gradually turn into wisdom, and the inner peace will also bloom in the heart like a lotus. In the process of embracing the inner child, we gradually see that all the pain is nothing more than self-protection. When you are willing to go deep into your heart and accept every part of yourself, those shadows will turn into light and illuminate the path of life. When you feel lost and painful, are you willing to look back at your innocent self? Embracing the original intention is the starting point for real reconciliation with yourself. When you accept yourself gently with compassion, you can heal the wounds in your heart and regain the innocence and hope of life. True healing comes from love, and this love comes from full accepting oneself. When we create a safe space for our inner children and accompany them with love and patience, our hearts will be freed from fear and anxiety, and regain our inner strength and courage. At this time, I really embarked on the road of reconciliation with myself and began to embrace my truest self. The inner child is the most innocent part of us, representing the original mind that has not been contaminated by the world. By embracing the inner child, we can reconnect this purity and regain our long-lost self-identity. If the heart is dustless, there is a pure land everywhere. As long as you let go of your inner persistence and past pain, every moment is an opportunity for rebirth. Even if you experience darkness, you can choose to be your own light. Healing the inner child does not mean denying the pain of the past, but to embrace it with wisdom and compassion and make it a nourishment for growth. There is always a glimmer of light in the darkness, and this glimmer comes from the bottom of our hearts, as long as we are willing to see it.